So this is the Euro Pound analysis for Thursday, the 21st of December. Now let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So we've had a high there, lower high. We had this price squeeze into this, I think it's a wedge it's called. We've had a breakout to the upside. We came up towards that 88.50. I was expecting a break towards that 88.74. We've had a brief pullback. And again, we've had a break of that 88.50. We've retested that 88.74. From this 88.74, we had a minor pullback here. I wouldn't even say it's significant enough to make a note of it, but we have traded through this 88.74. So price action does seem very bullish here. We've broken out of this trading range that we were in around this 87.83 and 88.51. We've had the frequent tests of the level at 88.51 and pullback, break, successful break with a lot of momentum and a continuation to the upside. So let's have a look at potential targets that we could look at here on the Euro Pound. So here on the Euro Pound, we did have this successful break so far of the 88.74. So we could still possibly pull back towards that 88.74, but we do look poised for a test of 89.14, and beyond which we're looking to see our price around this 89.45. Even though it's a weak level, has proved its significance in the past. So we'll see our price direct in around at 89.45. A successful break from 89.45, and we'll be looking to targets 90.24, which is a very, very strong level. I'll highlight it on the daily time frame, but 90.24 is a very, very strong level. We would likely see consolidation or possible reversal from that level all the way back down to 89.45. Successful break, retest, then we could start to target upside targets, but on the first test I would expect prices to either break down or head into a bit of a consolidation due to the strength of the 90.24. Now we've mentioned the targets to the upside, so we'll just have a look if prices do break down where they might possibly go. It does seem at present to be, we do seem unlikely to break down, but let's have a look at where we could potentially see buy-side momentum into the market. So we're looking to see if we do see a breakdown, we'll look to see buy-side momentum entering around this 88.74. Again, to the downside, we've got a major level of the channel that we were in that I've just previously mentioned. So resistance more often than not turns into support. So in around this 88.50. 88.51, we're looking to see buy-side momentum to come into the market for retest of 88.74, possibly all the way up to this 89.14, the upside targets. If, however, we do see a breakdown below into this trading channel, we've got minor levels in this channel in around this 88.20 and this, where is that? 88? Yes, 88. We've got 88 and 88.20. These are real areas of interest that we will be looking to see how prices react. We've also got the 200, 400 period moving average pretty close to 88.20. So a breakdown towards that 88.20, we could potentially have the confluence of the 200, 400 period moving average to see more buy-side momentum come back into the market for a test of 88.51 and 88.74, and beyond that 89.14. If, however, we don't find support at 88.20 or possibly in around the 88, we'll be talking the lower end of the channel in around this 87, 83, and it is a major level as it is marked out in red, as is 88.51. And again, we're looking for buy-side momentum to come into the market from the lower end of the trading channel. If, however, we do, let's see, would we go down below 87.83? I don't anticipate us going below 87.83, but if we were to head below 87.83 due to market volatility, the major level below 87.83 is in around this 87.50. So we've mentioned the upside targets and the downside targets, as well as the dynamic levels of the 200 and 400 period moving average. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the daily time frame to show the significance of 90.24. So if we head over to the daily time frame and we get the scale on here correct. So here we are, and there we go. So we've come down to the lower end of the trading channel in around the 87.83. We briefly broke below it. We've had a move all the way down quite a bit below this 87.83. As we can see, we've went into a bit of consolidation here on the daily chart, and we are seeing a breakout to the upside. So the lower end of the channel as held. So we're mentioning 90.24. So 90.24, the reason is significance. We saw sell side momentum come into the market there from 90.24. Again from there from 90.24, and again from there from 90.24. So on 3 previous occasions, a test of 90.24, or pretty close to a test of 90.24, we have seen some sell side momentum come into the market. So on this occasion, if we do head up towards that 90.24, we'll be looking to see some weakness into the market in around that 90.24. And with that said, that should wrap up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.